There's a song called Heart of You.
I'm looking for a melody. They float upon the wind to me, like flowers to a honeybee. They dancing right in front of me. Like lovers on a rainy day. Nobody knows the words to say, so they just listen to the rain. You can't tell the world to turn. The rain will pass and sun return. In the silence of the tune, the rhyme will follow rhythm and the song will beat into the heart of Everybody has a tale to tell. Dreams thrown into a wishing well, and hearts are breaking every time you sell pages to your fairy tale. You can't tell the world to turn. And sun return. In the silence of the tune, I will find a rhythm and the song will beat into the heart of you.
It's all called Heart of You.
Mahalo.
All right.